Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 10524 Westlake Road on beautiful Keuka Lake.
This is a premier lake-level building lot with 50 feet of pristine waterfront.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Enjoy the relaxing lake lifestyle. With 50 feet of lake-level waterfront on your own little private point with a permanent dock. The views will take your breath away, to the west with the sun rises, to the north with the bluff, and to the south with the hills. Imagine building your dream lake home with these spectacular views. We can custom design your dream home. Imagine the possibilities. A beautiful open floor plan encompassing a granite kitchen. Amazing one-floor living. How about an elegant master suite with tray ceilings? The possibilities are endless. Location, location, location. This premier building lot is right on the water and offers exceptional additional space for parking or potentially a garage across the street. Plus easy access to Hammondsport, Penn Yan, and Branchport. On your way to town, stop by many of the award-winning wineries and enjoy all the Finger Lakes region has to offer.
Rob, this is a great place.
Yes, Hammondsport is a charming and quaint village located at the south end of Keuka Lake, with a waterfront park and a quaint town square park, surrounded with exceptional restaurants and shops. What a great place to live! Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 10524 Westlake Road on gorgeous Keuka Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!